went into, go ahead.
Timber went into
Chip's room. Go ahead.
I don't know. How many boys?
3? Which one?
1, 2, 3. And 2
Maybe.
And wait, 3 girls. A cat is a
And the cat, very
and
good.
2 girls.
Okay. So 4 kids, right?
4.
Do you see?
I am 10.
The first line.
Hi, my name is Abbott.
Very good. I am 10 years old.
I am.
Very good. Okay, let's look at 2. 2, do you see 2?
Yeah. A space is between.
Good. It says a space is between words. Okay?
Like.
So here. What's this? How do you read this, Akane? Is a verb. Okay? Now this last one, this dot. What is this, Koya?
Period.
Period. Okay? So you start with the capital, end with period. This is the rule. Good.
I cut you also. I cut you also.
Good.
It was explained before. There, it's like a hamburger, right? So there's the top part, right? The bread, and we call this an introductory sentence, or like it's explained here. So first one, topic sentence. Yes? All right. So what do you have to write in a topic sentence? Any ideas? That in a topic sentence, you explain what you are going to put in your paragraph. All right? All right. So in the concluding section, I want to talk about this whole thing. I want to say, okay, so this is what I have written about. So this is the ending. So I want to make a summary. Summary, big word. And summary is when you talk about this. Please read the first sentence of the supporting sentences. And they're from different parts of the world. So what parts of the world are they from? What countries? European countries, for example. And what about other parts of the world? Right. Such as Israel? Yeah, great. So they're giving you examples, right? In the supporting sentence, they're giving you real life examples. Germany, Italy, Saudi Arabia, Israel. So we know more about the topic, different parts of the world. Now we know which ones on writing this paragraph. So now I'm really going to give it to you. Now it's really your turn. And you're going to choose one of the 3. Okay? And you can do a little clustering, you can do another brainstorming that you do. And you're going to write. So go ahead. What do you have now? Oh, me too. I want it to be too long.
I think people don't know that.
Way it will be singular, it will be just one, so you can actually put as this. She studied physics at college, so yeah, ours
That's alright, sorry.
So do you say your topic sentence in different way? So yeah.
Now time's kind of, okay, a little more than up. So, alright, so this was a little bit of an overview of the things that we do here, right? So we do more than this.